Hi guys, so welcome to part 4 of this mini series for beginners. Today we're going to look at 6 simple strengthening exercises to help you become a stronger runner. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the 4th and final part of this mini series for beginner runners. So today we're going to talk about 6 simple strengthening exercises that you can do throughout the week to complement your running and help you run stronger. So these exercises, we're going to cover 4 for the lower body and 2 for the upper body. Nice and simple exercises, shouldn't take you too long. And you can split these up to however you want to do them. You might want to do them all together in one go, or you might want to split them over 2 days, do a couple on one day and do a couple on another day, and then repeat that later in the week. I do suggest to do these exercises at least twice a week in order to feel the benefit from these exercises. And hopefully, if you're new to kind of any strength and conditioning work, always take it easy. It's better to start off just doing a few reps, a few good reps, rather than going and doing kind of 10 reps in total and not doing good form. And also, it's also better, and then you won't risk injuring yourself as well, or again, achy muscles the next day. So if you're new to strength and conditioning, always start slowly and build up. Hopefully you will soon see the benefits of these exercises, not only when you perform them, but also on your runs as well. And plus, I know a lot of people out there who will do their calf raises when they're cleaning their teeth, or they'll do their calf raises when they're cooking, or they'll do some squats while on an ad break in a TV show. So however you do them, just go out and do them. So we will cover today, we're going to cover squats, lunges, hip bridge and calf raises, and then we're going to cover press ups and kind of a row for upper back, because working on your chest, shoulders and upper back are going to help with your form when you start to tire on your runs. So let's get into it. So your squat, stand with feet slightly wider than the hip, and sit back, hinge from the hip and sit back as if you're sitting on a chair, and go as low as you can, keeping a nice straight back. So we are going to go for 10 reps for 2 to 3 sets and 1 minute's rest between sets. And it's just great for targeting those quads, hamstrings and glutes. So just sit back and squeeze your bottom and up you come. So your lunge. So step forward, take that knee down to the floor, squeeze your legs and bottom to come back up again. We're going to go for 8 to 10 reps per leg, and again 2 to 3 sets and 1 minute rest between sets. So your bent over row, I filled a rucksack with some books, and you're going to lift, keep your back nice and straight and squeeze between those shoulder blades. This is going to work your upper back and your lats and your shoulders, helping to stay strong in that shoulder position. Going to go for, calf raise, up onto your toes and slowly lower back your heels back down, using a chair to support yourself. And again, we're going to go for 10 reps for 2 to 3 sets, resting between sets. Hip bridge. Engage your core, slowly roll up to lift your bottom off the floor. Hold for about 5 seconds at the top and slowly lower down again. Weight in your heels, looking to target those hamstrings and glutes. Take it nice and easy. Make sure those knees don't spray outwards, keeping those knees in line with the rest of your legs. Press up. version 1, holding those core muscles, bend those elbows, touch your nose to the ground and squeeze up again. We're looking for 5 reps, 3 sets, working on your chest, shoulders and arms. 3/4 press ups, just lean further forward and down and up again, holding your core and also keeping those shoulders back. And of course you've got the full press up if you're stronger than me. So there we have it, some 6 simple strength and conditioning exercises that you can do to help you become a stronger runner and just stronger overall. Apologies that I only managed to do one measly, very small full press up, push up, but for me, just can't get press up, so I always do 3/4. So yeah, always start off taking it nice and easy and slowly build up those reps and those sets. So these are the 6 simple exercises. I've just covered the basics. I've not talked about progressions. I will do that in a following video to give you some progressions that you can do. So for instance, doing elevated split squat or elevated lunge, adding weight to your squats, doing a single leg calf raise for instance, but we'll cover that later on. So I hope that's given a few ideas, and as I said, you know, I don't mind, it doesn't matter how you do these exercises throughout the week, just do whatever fits in well with you. For me personally, I like to fit them all into one session 3 times a week, but I kind of mix and match them with my rest of the strength and conditioning exercises that I do week in, week out. So I hope you enjoyed this mini series for beginners. We've covered how to get into running, tips and tricks to get into running. We've covered jargon, running jargon as well. We've covered some simple post-run stretches, and now we've done some strength and conditioning exercises to help with your running. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Love you, have you along. Please let anyone else know this video is out there if they're just beginning to run, or whether they're a seasoned runner and they don't do any strength and conditioning exercises. And as whatever you do, hashtag killing it.